Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Honda Jazz wiper. First, gather your tools, like a small flathead screwdriver, and ensure you have the correct replacement blades. Park your car on a level surface and turn off the ignition. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Taking these initial steps will make the entire task much easier to complete, saving you time and effort. Now, let's remove the old blades. Carefully lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. Be gentle to avoid scratching your glass. Look for a small tab or clip where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab and slide the old blade down and off the arm. Repeat this for both front wipers. With the old blades removed, it's time to install the new ones. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade firmly onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Carefully lower the wiper arm back onto the windshield. Repeat for the other side. Finally, let's test your new wipers. Turn on your car and activate the windshield washer fluid. Observe the blades as they wipe. They should move smoothly and clear the glass without streaks. For best performance, clean your wiper blades periodically with a damp cloth. This simple maintenance extends their lifespan and keeps your view clear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.